Before we get into this video, I want to introduce you guys to one of my YouTube friends. His name is Aiden with 2 N's. It's like Aiden. I think that's really cool, by the way. Anyways, he's really cool. His videos are funny, really interesting. Go check him out. This is his, his videos. He just started like a month ago. This is some of his videos. He actually also made a how I make my thumbnails. He posted it. I will link it in the description box below, as well as his channel. But yeah, check him out. He's pretty cool. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, cameryn, ayanna. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I make my thumbnails. Alright, now it's time to get into this video. I use 3 apps to make my thumbnails. Technically 2, because one of the apps is photos. That's it. So I go to my photos. I go to the video that I made. I put the phone on that way. Landscape, is that what it's called? Hot dog, whatever you call it. I go through the video that I took strictly for thumbnails. My face has a whole bunch of sparkles and stuff on it. I didn't even realize it till just now. I just took my makeup off, so that's why. Ignore that. I screenshot all the potential thumbnails and I figure out which picture I actually like. Okay, so I've decided I like this one the most. So we've got our picture. I go into Facetune. I click the little like image thingy in the top right corner. And then I select my image, retouch, and then I literally just like smooth my face, because one, my lighting is always terrible, so my face always looks like really weird. And then I do the little glow thing. I just started doing this and I don't really know if I like it yet. And then I take it all the way down, literally to like 20, because it makes a difference at 20, but it's not like you can tell. I just look normal, but from far away that actually looks way better than the original photo. So that's all I do to that. So, oh wait, no, it's not. I just accidentally saved that. But I go all the way to the end and I press defocus. It's basically putting the picture in portrait mode. I do get in like tiny places like this, just because it'll break my nerves if it's not defocused, like that one little piece. But other than that, it looks pretty good. My background is plain, so you can't really tell that it's defocused. Usually I have like a bunch of stuff in my background, but I have a pretty blank wall right now, which is good. I go to Fonto, which is how I put my text on there. I press the little camera at the bottom, and then I press photo albums. Click the picture I just made. Done. Okay. I press the little picture, add text, and then I put the name of the video. How I make my thumbnails. Font. And there's this one font that I like. Here it goes. It's called what is that called? Langdon. But that's what I use. I'm going to make it smaller so it fits. There we go. I move it. And then I click on it again and press style. So this is how like the actual text looks. I go to stroke and I make the width 10. I make the stroke black and I make it 10. And then I go to text, and my signature color is red, but I'm changing it to blue. Because if you could not tell, my favorite color is blue. But I want to make it like a baby blue, not like a normal royal or something like that. No. Yes. No. Kind of. I click on style at the top, and I add the third one, the third like little A at the bottom. I click that, and then I make X and Y both like 80. Not 80, Jesus, 40. Not exactly 40, but I mean, it doesn't really matter. And then I add like a little emoji to go along with the video. Like my last video, my Romley video. Click the the little iCard. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. I put like clothes in the thumbnail. What emoji would fit how I make my thumbnails? I'm gonna put a camera. Okay, I'm gonna put the flashing one. That one's cute. Or matter of fact, I'm gonna indent this, align it right, and I kind of want to put it on the side. Return, make my return thumbnails. Boom. And then we put the camera over here, near my head. I'm just gonna move this using this instead. And then I can make this a little bit bigger. Move it over some. As long as it doesn't really touch my hair, I'm fine. How do I make my thumbnails? Camera. That's cute. Okay, it's simple. All right, and then I'm going to save the image. That's how I make my thumbnails. That's legit it. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notifications bell to get notified every single time I upload. Definitely check out my boy Aiden. Read the description box because I know you don't. I hope you guys have a good day, week, month, year, morning, noon, night, all of the above. Peace out.